Yeah, me na me nie baba. Come on, I said come on. Yes, I'm saying for backyard kitchen. No, I just say and come on. Mine is so I'm need be here. Backyard kitchen. Come on. Man when you come on coffee. Backyard kitchen. Come on. Hey, now I can't me buy money and I want to sleep. Oh my, wow. Me pam tell for my sister we cater. Into do very person show any skills. Wow, I want to do. Come on, try. How are you? Did you home?
Yeah, well. Hey, Nana.
Rangers.
Yana me the bias, maybe. Married.
They say they may have to tell. Obolemo pani. Ebusafo. So wako pen na mi ko mu no a. Kaduane ye ready abedi. E ba cho me mama kwa aba. Na matna si ne ye wiwi bi die. Dwumadie na na ya start no. Backyard kitchen. Ye be di nkomo. Na nkomo no choose your choice. Said you onim no. Asane be di san nkomo we no. Me pesem di asedama aboafo. Ani aboafo be me sponsors, brand ambassador, a way of promoting my brand. Actually be way me backyard kitchen me di adeketo a. E wo machire ha. Ha na yedi yem komo ha na ye no aduane na ye bibia. Wo ye ni sa e ma ofie ni inside no. Wonti aduane pampan. E ma na ya kono so. Wo ye neat. Afa ya tena si me di aseda e ma synthesis tank. E na si akire ha no. Synthesis and found new space. Kese wo ho e na nketo so. Sa na wo share so a ne color open so. Ye be ye di amount. Ghana ha de open water tanker. Emu odu. Na be bo nsuo ho ban. Efin ni mu ne mu da ho. Fita ente nsuo no hu no say kroje no. E synthesis. Ye strong, ye tough. Me da say, Madam High Sense e de tuama pampami. High Sense TV na wo hai. If you aba na come to kwam High Sense na be go. Me Jimmy Woody e wo me brand. Sarah and me deep freezer. High Sense deep freezer. Said you can chest freezer no. E bi na si ai. E bi so si e kire ha and the and I'm one standing one. So I standing one. Let me tell you something about how to keep a backyard kitchen. Keeping a backyard kitchen on. And my near man inside no on use. Uba no more. Fridge kakra wa ha. Fridge yes hey. Aduane fridge. High Sense, Madam High Sense. Aduane fridge. Esro no so your daily ice. I will be here. And they all display one. High Sense display fridge too much. No so. Eja insure. And they would drinks a woman. Na ya kono bi abakra nyo na be serve no. Ono abe because each one is equal. And penny nkura wofo ni fiefo nya ye. What I say? Me be na High Sense na si akiro. Me air fryer na si hayi. And na me microwave na wa hayi. Me blender so hye ho. Nti man ye say ya. Say fie no toy so o si ye dia ye wo kitchen no. Unka hwe, unko fa hwe wo. Nti mpa cho wo ska utimi to na wo ye wo fie achi say ya ebeboa ama wo niam e wo inside ni fie ni mu edi nti we dey Madam High Sense tip kakra me dey dey emamo me fi wa me da holy ase mpa cho ya mo fa holy box no dey embra holy insecticide spray so sanka wo backyard yi de wa ye ne bia wo ye den ntontom ne wansana o me smart e konfa so mura dem no wo kura be shock quick action phone kwa nani unye spray wo mu a free 15 minutes na tena se fa holy spray wo mu wa ye aduane awie no wo ha weekend bi wo no ma wo yi cabinet mu nyina anwumre wo koda fia da anwumre wo yi ntu koda no sana na the holy spray cabinet ni mu nyina memenda no e cleaning na de clean nchensre nyina na wasa de abehim e ma fie ya akono misro aya hye no sonsoma me da se pa me ametia me ana me say ton insurance papa individual insurance you have control on enti na ya way no kasa my way insurance dial *165# ani one dial no we kan kwa untimi me join ne but joining my way na insurance way una also control with me here the lowest is 6 cities 50 pesos and the highest is 36 cities 50 pesos and no kire say ubo ho ban afi yare krankron ho ene ete hayi yade bi wo hanu ma yanwi da se bi besi abusuam wo na abeto wo ntimi so my way won hihye bi say yentimi ntua ho kan nyina nemum ebetumi aboa o kakra na wo so ye de wo de aso ade so wo yes insurance ama ho wo akonya say wo do dofo ba ko beto so chale dial star 165 hash when to me and complete options na ona ye rant and maba what office o me frew omu frew o mu be cheche wa mo ate ase na hye ne nso say onfa omomo pen emma wo mu there be eno de edu sa option na ye be ka cho say wan kasa bo omomo pen eno hye so en chere sika ni mu ye just choose option na pen no na chere de ode na to so nye na akwa chere na me wosika we da so na de bibia ni mpacho what I say me da se bebre friend be chere mu ye afa matena se edin dada na Nana Ama McBrown trinity a nefa ni die ma no na nye no her excellency na ma Jesus say brim na afa nkomo e wo me fanto wo mo ya sure
Yenko.
ana ye share nkomo no ene say do be ko school na awade abo amo ayeye ene say ye do be sua adwuma ana wo pese osua adwuma na ye do be ko ene ma eno so wo bra na esiye opede yin amen Raya Raya waba Bani say amedo wa be pie ye de nanso memu adwuma some craft farmer de na wo say adwuma wo DVL accountant wo DVL hey wa be to mo mbara mo bra
asemo ba
bra
me
Mr.
ba sa
o be kan no kura mu nyina Mintu media. Me ba cho mun twan mayi ntuma bi aba. Na menya menya a kire nso twan wo hu no mfonyini mu. What I say? We on fan to na tena se. Aduma wa konya no ye de ma wa ya wa. Yes. Yeah.
Sis.
Anya me say si asem no so bio. Asem no ne say. Say. O ma me mete minim se manko school. Metumi a kire wa adwuma bi. Ana ma me nyime hu frem. Tena se. Any say you be ko school na wa bo degree na ofu se no na be mu ayeye ani say anai say ye de wo be wura adwuma mu na wasua fiti nkura brem na eno aye wa brabo opedien intino wo be bodi na wa kire yen odibie na fe ye nkomo na to aso ha na eko
Eshase.
ne ohine shate mai
If I made it, how is me I die? Me age more family health hospital.
family health ayinungwa
Hospital, teaching.
Teaching hono. Ane.
Hona me age more. But aside that, na me style a design, nyama kakra.
Sa. You so
kakra. You palm but me designer styling tina.
Chese.
Me new be mana
Yeah,
so that's what I'm doing.
And know your hobby.
And also my hobby. Apart from that, also me name cramine a catfish.
Okay. Onye cramine. Esa catfish. Maybe way. Fish no. Say wo back kitchen there. Wo back kitchen.
Asa pa no wakano.
Wo back kitchen penne. Ka o ka chen ke ka banku. Aye ye meko kama. Inti ka ba ye. High sense am kon oven na wo yi. See e be che no. See e be toton. Masa go back home. There be sako fie bra. And I always real no. Wow, nice we krama to betumi ba ho. Oh, no bu krama so betumi abo an nehwe mu. Unya chiwawa ni bi ma me ameko.
Okay.
And na unya de bu de nanimu ayi wo me ba krama tenten. Me pe de me fa na danfo.
Okay.
Ai, ne ko omu nko mo de say. When the bank no show him, no contribution. Ocean and him and our power answer when him. Yeah, and it's only per camera to me. All right. Wow, and when you more. Wow. We end up with my side more with that. Not a shame. Yeah, I don't hear. Okay. I come on that one in here, Pacho. Shassia, my. One short advantages first.
Yes. The education is extra child life at the mouth. Wo primary cry na kolampo sisi ano me de oda kola ko school and say by 7 years akola na in school. Odu school early morning exercise bi wo on ma be ya am be sanya mani ya. Unu say born 9:30 ya you will break your lunch. Nkola no be kwa ko farm snack break na nyama. We are time no na bibia extra che. Nti wa wunyi na nkasa no. Na say unu say time consciousness no ewo honom. Wo eboa o ma wankasa to me structure life. Utumi hwa obi a maybe ne mama na ne papa en fa ne nko school ntem na anyama no. Aya na lateness wo ne life no. Ema okọ ejuma kra na utumi ho na ejuma mu. Ejuma say edru honom 7:30 no o'clock in. Maybe 8:30 9 o'clock kra no ndru ye because ya amfa sa ade no amfa antete no. Nti education ne boa. Sisi our representation on maybe breast cancer, even though me nurse but me health information. At least meaning source, meaning maybe tissues be one. But as we mean say, man kwan kosuya sa broaden in yemana, it will become very difficult for me. Abden na me kwa kosuya. But because say school ne boa ma misuya nyeman kakran intina boa. School so boa ma leadership no etumi sisa because your section leaders are Yema kwime will be a section leader, maybe senior on duty na nyema nti. Sa nyema ni ya so boama o peke nyema bebre kakra nti advantages in the school no.
More advantages more. All right, Meko, why the record of you? Hey, sister, Rebecca say. One CEO of Royal Couture. Whether me and me the intentions I say, but yeah, one kasa. I don't know. I say Juma DVLA, but accountant. Man can you have to correct me? Royal, what the tumutino?
Okay.
Parliamentum.
Media, I thought that machine fin.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 feet and yeah, sure said 2.
And I'm machine fin.
Yes, because to me, both education and when business, they are all important. Because one, say, work with school. Now we at the end of the day. And I said business so also when you be a business, but then you need somebody with educational background as sometimes certain decisions. For instance, my friend said at the PAMI and MiPROMO. I can say education has helped me a lot. Because I'm in school, excuse me to say, most of the clients, they communicate to you in English. You have to send message, you have to type. Obi wo I was obefre phone so or no obe communicate. Sometimes the way obe keep you records, obe sure. I mean how to manage your workers. Ni nyina ehia. And I be obi nso asabi one ko school kra na wakosua ejuma no. And also yeah ebuaba me dem hu ne say ansa na obi obesua ejuma at least try say even JHS kra at least get the basic education so that little things are between your communicating because school no a growth and if na wo business ni no so hia o school ni no na waboa wadwuma and na wo school ni so hia business ni no and na wo so what me dia bobra wo wie school because wo wie school that's a business ni create job for you to go in and not as a school now ko and we pay intermediate me who say both are important so wo sua adwuma wo because insane adwuma nso eboa pa 7 and then insane adwuma nti kenye insane kamnya sure say my sister Nana Ama McBrown kaminim
oh ebi an kama ba DVL
okay me so okay DVL nso boa yes but through this I nyame boa ma it me share a lot of people I mean people that when you say Kanipa way, there's no way you are going to meet the person anywhere. But and I'm at the permanent. And sometimes when I'm crooked, no be sure. Royal like Emma when the palm Nana Ama McBrown, Emma no. And then the sister Jimmy two.
Nana, you spring run back one name someone. Faboshiton. Fabum.
Maybe I may feel say
but right now you are not going to choose your choice. Yeah, share advantages. What can now? Young fan say, many papa na tikrom me ente akurase. And no because I'm uncle school made an akurase. Yeah, tikrom. Me papa dealing in sliding windows, sliding doors. Let's say home construction niema. Many papa nam no minim say 2 year 2. 7 me or the me ko school. Me drew baby won say on money bi on ma de ni be drew baby no. Na won pe school ni bi o. Sa na me pese wo hwe no. Ebi American wanya former international one no do. Yeah, in South American stage 4, stage 5, stage 6 no. We drew her. But all by JHS nen into us one also won ko bi o. And so let's also consider these things. It me no me say me ko bi o name me papa adwuma na o ye no. And we be because abuo be papa. And we be na pesa me ye. Me ka say me ye nti me papa e kwa me tena front anopa. Said the bra wo ka say education structure na me ma so en fatoin. Me tena front na anopa. That the 7:30 me make sure say 7:30 na me wo daddy came near 2. Ye kwa daddy chiro or ye say management no me sua fi me papa even though no me simple for na me go school ko akire but minim 2 minim times minim ways say anything me many abisa me sure me papa me pay school no. So let's take it from that angle. But what I say on that note no who be choose again.
Your Excellency.
Yes ma'am.
Pacho. In this situation, you say I want education. Education you want formal and I want informal. Inti anya school demo kwa na ye education. Ti say nya wo ka say onene wo fana nantia esua nyama bebre no and also your education. Because education has to do with training. Obi betimi akọ formal education so no nsua hwe obeba kana na braba he basa. Inti say edu baby why so exposed to the point say exposure nti no we hu sika we hu say oh adan na we metimi aye we na school na nti na skin nti na medical school nti say metimi a follow me wo fa wa cheche me nyama bebre so na say metimi ato ni that lane na say menye sika dia. What is the use of going to the classroom? Nti say na ye kan no education we nye bi but ono ne dia na koye more of informal onye formal education. Nti so full say no na bebo na me feel say it's a good choice. Obetimi akọ. Yes.
Nti no on the advantage in say
with time so no betimi upgrading yourself in your school dem nkwa in any form.
If the school was one kokra. It's not like say the condo na e kakra wako. Also one
classroom no person but education dey we nye bi.
Until you stand by the informal.
Yes.
Okay.
So person call their school na ye but say we na ye choice there. I think say it's a good course.
Okay, and I brother Nana
me o share o mine mu o mo sika ni nyina nko school for no mo ko no mo ko
boy. Every am the boy ko.
Oh, school no mo ko ye. Ko no kwa.
No someone is.
Oh, okay.
No someone is.
Oh, yeah, sure.
What's it?
No someone is.
Omo wia, omo ma.
No someone is.
That be me person choose omo wia omo ma go school.
And I dey.
Because at the end of the day, obi an go school atena ho, etimi ahwe wia. E wo so oh, ewia no koda ha abo 2. Ewia no koda ha abo 1. Na wa ko school. Wa ko school na wie ni akodra be ko. Unu aye be ko.
Abebe.
Ya got na to access name the parts. Uko now go waste time ni na oba na ya nko school no. Yetumi anya time. I titinye mo wurem kaka pa to oba na wudu wunyansa ka kitwa na we kosua no. Aba oba.
Let's go pa na ogozan.
Oba dey change figures.
Let's go pa.
Oba no be change figures. The figures now be change na chese school na akọ no na kosua de ba ya na say.
Enyini nda.
Anything na school no we here.
So obi akọ school dia gbe.
Enyini nda.
Na wan go min ka sabe.
Obi
Nana, who is school ben?
We were technical school.
Ewe.
School for a movie so many. Yeah, I'm going to Yago. Yes, you only did look. Recently, I'm casting recently, Obiakoje, what was it? Or yes, you're a doctor, Dr. Santo, I call University, my man. Me no baby. Obejina baby say Burkina Faso. No be any interview. We say Burkina Faso. Oh, recently, already well, kita qualification
because Otoye. Yes. Yeah,
to office and so it's me.
If you actually the moment you said the one with the school I want to go back to, before I want to go back to Asema Kind. You see, it's obi to me jai with GSS on my fine. But also obi to me ekwo enim pa no or the nyama bebre eka ne craft no. A difference in obi a obi to me kwa could do invest in no ye na dia ne nyama e different.
Me share that nka ye nka.
Me when you say education hu hia. Education business no ni na go together. Sana me hu.
And na dey ye titim misro. And na dey ye kire say enye obi a na ebetum di ne mienu ahya bag ma go together.
Yes. For me, dear, no matter what, I will choose education.
Okay.
For education. Because you see, maybe we are seeing economy. Maybe we are seeing economy. So one for education and kawa brabo one. You will real. Nana say can say. Omo timi the carbon to so ni atwere 2 years so 2. Where adwuma na ya wo de no. Say unnim say figure when am e say am wo ha. Obi the 2 ka ho a. Who say the 2 account
Balance sheet.
But you accountant. Also be fa invoice receipt in bro. Akoto ade on fa receipt in bro. Oba na wasesa ade na.
Of course.
I was so accounting for.
Yes, of course.
Enti say fa ne say wonim hwe na adwuma no so ya wo de na ka wo te wo na nkode abro so ade ni 15 cedis. Wonim say 15. Akoto ni 50 Ghana na ode abro. Na echine bi unam no akohu say ade ni 15 cedis a. Wo be fele sen. Wo say ade ne bobo sa na. Ebedu be ka se de bia wo say mi nko sua bibi. Ni nko sua bibi senior next time what the ba oba me so metwan ho. Ene AI ne nkeka ho abi. Otina ho a otimi di design ne e bia papa glasses ya o ye ni ade. Enya fast na obi say o mepe bi ato. Enya fast na obe ko ni fie akwa hihya keka aboma nsa na wehu sese nete.
Okay.
But otimi di your app ne softwares bi otimi di design ne wonyoma na o dey send no from the comfort of your house and abibi a wo no na wa share adeko a wo ye.
Na obi kura no phone na say nye nipa kura phone nyina na educated.
Educated.
Phone na ye two bi kura no. Ohwehwe ma.
And then
ye smart o.
Pa.
You go to school.
Yes.
But on your phone, I am not phone ni bia. Okumu hunu say.
Yes.
Say how to me operating and to one go school.
Education ye, sana mi hu.
Now nane, si point ni ye ma me say. Edi enti e na wo de o mpa education.
Hwe obi a wan go school. Osua fie nya. Chesa nyansa ni nyina ye fie nyansa.
We are talking about no.
Class no kotena ho 300 years. Nyansa ni nyina ye fie nyansa. O ma me na beti no. O papa na beti no. Class wo kosua o kotena ho wasting time. Then wo she o ma me wo business. Or ko wudi na china woni ne kwa.
Na uso nya me kakra. Na ubu ade so kakra na ope oniema yi a.
The way I picking wo. Obi a wako school 300 years oba no apeke. Oba na afi wa show afi de be bae wa frame.
Basa
school ni nya.
Ebi a uba me to pano nkwabe mu ani je ho Lendrick o to pano yi. Na uba girl ya ni je ba bi a wadru. Or how many years? 14 years. Na me facha o me de kan sam keke. Na fe so onko school. Na o bread no o catering service na ni je ho. O ye spring way a wojina ho. O ye cake a wojina ho. O ma we so a wojina ho. Mami na ya me na ye. Mami movie ya me movie ye. Mami ye ntena metena. Oh, na wa ma wo sa dedication no. Wo kra wo ye witness to ba na ho keka. Na so won kwa. Say at least any pen on lecturer go betuma chance say we 1.5 kg or say 1.5 kilos. Into do bread na over man 1.5 kilo. Into the san niema no ene o receipt a wo chọchọ no ene wa ho keka wo buo no customer service ne sane man no ordeni nemre ma ho keka so hyemu a say ebe fa cha say sometimes obekwa akobo degree no cause me ni mo bi a wono so wofa ne
I
sremo
have a lot to say.
ne sremo me ni mo bi a wo degree akosoro akofa de yen de na da so PhD obi LOBC apampamu eno so ufi PhD akokan
It's a professor.
professor wakwaje professor no so ebonu ko mu ufi ana akwa emirates so de ben
Aye.
waje ni nyina ne suit ba de nipa 14 ne shem fefe kakraka aya wo ye adwuma enso onfa hwe be fie
Yes, it's true.
onfa hwe be fie anko ma gigiri ko ntimi nyibi papa ponto bi na mu ne shoe wan shine otimi shine shoe no na chan de eto ne mu no enso ase be yi wa ma wahine there are people born smart already
Yes.
with or without education no offer
They'll make it.
we be firm at every situation
I know they
and there are people who want hurry up obeko school in 10 times why bibia nso
are very
Nashi.
not smartness no abon
Oh.
what hey I want to stand by I go school na I ain't me go school no but I no nyam a choice for my new generation
Yes.
but if there is this choice for me mesra sen kanipa ko onko nu JHS
At least.
Na
At least.
Oh, fun, kono to.
Yes.
Because
Yes.
Music na ba
okay. Sabe, also one go school. Yes, one go crowd. Because I can one go crowd. For instance, I said the contract are better when. Maybe I'm not new. Okay, can I am for no so na oh cause.
I know the answer.
Maybe I say, yeah,
I know the basa ya fa umoja. Fa unipa. Ai. Unipa unia. O papa. O fa. Enko fa damfo. I know the enfa nko contract ani. What I say? O fa umoja wo fa ni on hwe me nsisi wo.
Yes.
Inti me pam to before you take your stand no. Mo mama no si na yen kwa bonte. And the ask makasa mo ba it's okay.
But what I want to say, I'm the trust and say.
Unya venture to. Ye jinkrato asamba.
When you say business, no, I'm a miska more than
Education.
I like your honesty.
Oh, I know there is true.
business. I'm mamiska
Yes,
like
yeah, of course.
the money I was making through the dog business. I'm not imported dogs from Russia, but South Africa, but Obi to your plane ticket 25,000 my year. The camera
business
Oh, yes.
and Obi kraba no the camera be or baba so camera be man
And cross na.
10,000 and one account. Scan now to me make it a week. So be the camera air ban crown. It wasn't easy. And that my salary in the crying juice amount. It's a business dear. But one say education no so no Emma met saying camera na say because we read you and you might be
About
the
them.
puppies never the way I met me I share puppies. It's a business in there yeah pa edisi kaba no so no. Unya education
Now the piano.
Yeah, kwa no take you stand why. Amen. Me pam to so bia ni bibia ka sesi a. Wo me bika, wo hene ba kasa.
Say your kasa or too important camera but because of school or koi. Kama bia ni wa ukawo on this. Kama bia ukawo kama ne tiase.
What is it?
Daddy, abon. Say the way see atete no. Saa na ti osano oba o ka chense tenase. Me na na no wa aponchi bi. Na ye to a ye hwe aponchi ni ba na me na na oka. Bra na aponchi ni ba. Me ka ni ba ka chense. O le bi ka house a che no na me na ka zo. Oka zo ala aponchi ni ba. What's that?
Let's appoint no. When you zo bra.
Sakna na to ma. Emoni.
Oba na many months.
Ko di no wa it's a water by a council now, water by.
Let's have one of
house salon. It's all country now, Sabon on tit. Depending how we see our child, to say it now, I will be at one and I'll pack of our baby brand. I can't tell you. Come on, no, I am telling you. Who's an enemy better? No, the machine.
Annie.
Over with two time school, so I did the so just school. No, your business in Chama. In case Kana Unya and Alcohol can you cover so that I didn't let it out on wall. A you fear in a media man who walk to school, because just anchored and getting. You can take it and catch you. Oh, Nana, Omako school. At the end of the day, soon no more no more years more. Me boss. Nana from non one. Tina me nyaji keke. So make a room. Nana from non one. Tina or Casano. Nana. Na essence then. O Casa Udra Bacasa Yasuma Baubua.
He is the boss.
He's the boss himself.
Cashman.
Once I come to Marco School, he's the boss himself.
Hey, Nana, I
me feel say, obia weakness, strength. Yeah. It's one can weigh yourself and look at your weakness and look at your strength. Where your strength lies, then you work with it.
Yeah.
Baby, I your weakness, no. Now we now I show strength, no. Now they are ejuma. It's be it me them be it formal or informal. Education. Sana me fan.
I when I'm in answer by rubber back now, yes, subio. And then common ones are very casual, but very, very important. You need the dance here, one way or the other. Yɛde aseda ma aboafo ne asi abonten na yakɔgye abonten sofo adwenkyerɛ ne yɛde abeka mesrew enko ba bia ne mo nka kyerɛ obi sɛ ne ya upload foforo into onye de omehwe me da se bebe ye ba
because of you.
I'm called Rashid Inusa. I'm residing at Kenya Sabrim. For me, if only I'll finish university and to pursue my degrees and a lot of things with finishing HHS, then rather pursuing a business. I would rather choose the business aspect because I see the business aspect to be the most easiest part. Because at least there are a lot of people who complete universities and are having a lot of degrees. But like after completing everything, they will not get the chance to pursue like to have a job to do. But like after HHS and you have a massive work that you feel comfortable and you think that you will be the one to run the business, at least daily or maybe monthly, you receive a lot of income. But at least the whole friends say university now pursue a degree in a master's in or school, then at the end, onye juma I buy an employee and it will be a coordinated job.
The firm Chinoba Watson Prince, more Bantama High School. We monitors 10 minutes. Decide export cars it's probably be with my back. My don't share family say in professor and Kobuku school kakra. You need kakra na there. Obi business one side. Said by set kakra. This our on salon maso kakra. And it's a what yes and do boy na.
Your friend Fia, no bantama, may ye business choba, I your friend Chimeko. So baby I will be a bantama na pedia, and quampedia brechimeko. And what about to a fiend in my ewa? Say if I'm choosing between business and school, I'll choose business over school. To me, because we are going to school for knowledge. I know that one, but in everything we are all suffering for money. And I think between school and business, I'll choose business because there's more money in it than going to school. For me, I'll choose business over school.
I was say we are backyard kitchen here na yakwa abonten akwaje adofo so contribution na say the mechanic so enkoye as a hit we a draw ha you best go back na ya hwe Mr. Nana say mornings the McBrown brother we
Analog
na we a chain stand na yakwa anim
Nana number 1
yeah
Antelinda waka workers o job ma dey unim say worker no wan go school na waka tell say go remember that wan go school
so okase ma ko bi an go school
no waka
na ma ko do je
so your class no say the one go school your go school me chair na there soft na the one go school the soft obre wo akola wan go school na wo chair na there e fi answer na ode aba mu odu ite wo say okache say so okofa cap bra so okache okofa cup bra honestly I said that okache say go and bring the cup hano and we are number 1 doctor no so
hey
Nana share doctor now just say wakosia statistics eno waba oba e no ono bo so ne beso ne budget na awo ye no kekino budget ne kekino
ni pay no
nti obetete obehard ye timi pie ye kwa na chilia kana ye show because ye dialogue bia na ho
no pen account.
What What's it? Yeah, son, na nyame na nkasa kyerɛw sɛ
ɛna adwuma no
ɛnyɛ adwuma no
Fatwa.
foforɔ bɛsaa
bɔbɔ ɛbɛfa but ɔmo no say ɔmo ne ɔmo pie no
ne sɛ ɔmo a ɔmo business na ɛnyɛ school na do ɔmo na no ɔmo kyele chance ayifo saa mo na mo discount no
Oze, and also no, me assuming say me ye juma me nye
mami kasi wow ɔmo na ɔmo kɔ school no ɔmo suasua na yare akɛse aba yɛ bodi na yɛ wa kɔ school yare bi wa yɛ bɔ wa ka so yɛ mbɛhyew
nana
de ɔtifie na wa nkɔ school ɛsɛ malaria in the dead na auditing na the wako school ni ọmọ baby ọno na ọdị ni school ni nyanse baby ọbọkọ ni yẹ bọ yare na no no say na nkasa ase akanato
na yẹ machine
nti ọda hɔ a ọmọ bɛ kɔ doctor ne saa pela show
na obra person kasa de man meka mi wai
you see even social man crowd, most of them, even though they would want a business, they want someone that is stable. And see, so be a hormone in any paper where they be a crown end of the month or budget salary.
And remember social man we stable. And remember per man we GP.
It's one see a cop at least also GB. So him says a jumani both from crown
a bicycle.
At the end of the month, Sisi I say I started say me payroll. And next week,
them.
Then be kakra ewo so inti say
Nana so Nana what we turn machine bi on. O turn machine na no pa. Me ne Nana me tie course o turn machine na no pa na. Wo bon se bebo wi na request for fraba. E be do anyime no o kan bebre. One day
to show pocket. Yes, I know, not hitting.
Then Nana ye dey
legit business so out on.
Echo circle boys, sika boys in the year was circle.
Oh, they are making it.
Guy be we area one more years
Business
one to us.
Okay.
Sika will make it say we be shops need declare dey be oligon. The former we na the business we na boa say
but the book one
but it is very important. Yes. Me to me downplay the way no. It is very, very important.
All right. Elisha, obianfa na incident now we go straight to our choice.
Mami, when you say education ni business no, ni na ho hia. Nti we education kakra, now the business no so.
Kakra aka ho. Wo dey wan haje say we too no.
But business, said me moon, the honest business mami scam. I ejuma me because in a week if you the amount of money being at the end of the every within a week it's more than your salary.
Titu ejuma ba
na nyankopon adom de bia nso ejuma no ebeba enti no yeah mama money I mean untumi compare wow yeah ma okay to a makola woman.
Yes,
excuse me to say because they are making the money.
Serious.
But Nana make can say at least wako up to GHS crapwa because
for enemre mu de
enemre because me sister be and for started prama de no sebe me me bushing na me kra me yakola more than 30 years to 40 years. But no to me catch am say if you are school there you man go school nti and then mejuma ne egu mi ni clients but wo no school no dey aboa nti e ya pass wo go school now although wa go school nti ne say dey wejuma ne a movie because she sees me the way I made that TikTok say me hear me video the way I put it up in yama and then sometimes school dey because sometimes you bet me afrel say do I to me throw interview ni ebusa obrofo na wan ko bi kra obeye den
no about when you show time.
TV3 for interview.
And I make sure say mini manu mi enti me na mama kra me tu e mama platforms bebre what the ban in kwa na be jo bia che me mu a metumi anya ho ansa na kwa che me say me no be ye enti ma ye oni show time backyard kitchen what I say Hey, you don't turn your heart. The English is important. But don't kill yourself for the English. Into moving on right now, we are bofra. And I say, ma, oba time go to her. Now, oba so unko sukua. You find advice. Emma, the advantage and the disadvantage of both options.
Maybe advantage and advice and the mama or school.
Say, see, you know. But we are one ma omu benyini no.
Okay. Omo man go school no more business. Advice and omo making sure say omo benya for business omo benya for be 5 Sa nkofo no be dey omo ka. Because me say wo nkofo bi wo omo hwe omo do. The business na me nkofo a ono me rely on them. Me ho che me am fa phone frɛ no nko a menya kakra. Inti ano say 5,000 say na me de ne ka wo me je ato.
Odoka.
Odimika. Me je ato. Me invest on no say the wo ka say boso me ne beso a wonim say aban betu aka me so won nkofo a me frɛ omo a o me send me.
Okay.
That's good advice.
Yeah.
Inti ono no say me frɛ wo na wan fa. Me frɛ we obefa. At least 5 na wo menya mu ba ko ma na ya.
Pick your
Afa. But the name kola na abani di education e key.
And then kola na abani education.
Education
e key. Also to me drews at least. Kakra.
Kakra because yen higher me kasa wo yen ha no. Because yen man mu ai wo idiot. School na wo ko eba no position na. And this is what China ho na one Chinese no catch us on table of still be make.
Yes.
They combat no. Because some do multiple but they high so there. One go school to am.
So you believe say MMM there also between school do baby.
At least go do there.
GSS.
If not any school or pay you. Okay. Matwa say, Linda.
To school na ye. It enlightens you. E die wa dream we ma egumi. Usia nyama bebre campus life.
Yeah, discipline. So
nyama bebre na afin so no. E ma unya connections.
yeah.
Connections because so who was school e be a classroom no. Obi a on na class no. Baby a we drew e wonani. I mean going forward baby a we drew. E be na unye drew ho. But e san say on na class nti no. What to make connect e she baby. Now also nyame adom. Which the dentist school na ye. Enya addition nkwa but it gives us so much exposure.
Okay. After Lindrick so church akwan. And after telephone number. Share juma o ye.
Ye aduane bi e fa catering ho bia ye bi. Ye Nana from East Legon Hills. The telephone number is 05469826001. Nti ope catering, ope event, say you plan a program like catering aspect no. E be ni nyina ama. Okay. So your wedding cake, birthday cake.
Me ba cho bread na ya me pepa. Nti bread ni say also between order bi.
Nti baby am wo bia mpam cho Lendrick specialty number 1 mun choose yen. Na me fam orders number.
That's it.
You played so much role in my life, and I want to use this platform to really appreciate you.
Oh, that's it.
I always pray that God will lift you up higher than this.
Amen. That's a pa. I feel me am done back so a year royal couture. I mean, o stand in the same.
Oh, maybe said the American. I still stand by me. In fact,
standing a year for 2 and compare.
And a foot to am the menu more grow up and say, you be or share royal couture. Oh, me person be yet to say royal couture. Yes, a year ubeshin at the pamela, but Mr. Whatever it is, try so the post school kakra. At least JHS said the bear also bet me a bebo mama because so be because the first thing I saw mama bona is she at the pam. And was a calculation. So even when you're smarter, you can't. It's me that the American say, Obian try say at least what they oba ebe sakola go so na say SHS kwa free education. So at least ube try now ni akola na kasa. No watch me baba ko say you should be a designer. I told you say no. Okay, obey. But then you have to go to school.
Finish it.
Me do said I even say if I have to take you outside the country, so go school in design me do so that at the end of the day, me say oba outer. Not just a which me I
Yo. Afi for cha kwan man oh.
Pacho, Mr. Royal Couture, your fam, a man in Memma, your mappe. Royal Couture, your La Paz Community Hospital Road, and so Second Gate Junction, or wah. Inti, my number so yeah 0244 042 185. 0244 042 185. Mr. Moya, I'm taking note of the number. Yeah, I'm going to papa bi. And the 84, Mr. Mo, Papa no waya wabre Mr. Mo.
Sawamu.
Yes, instead
What the
of
difference in saying?
I am a number now, but instead of 185, no, or no, there 184. Today be no mark of friend. Papa need to be framing, Madam, we a designer. It's too much. Like they are calling me. Let me see me so I me go to the right number. Me try.
It is how going to you.
It's Mr. Mo number is 0244 042 185. It's Mr. Mo number.
And your 5 name may
Sir, 5 number.
Annie 185 5 no count
042 185 0244 042 185 5 Miss Ramo Madam Wasi
Miss Redasa pa
Nyami Shra me dey say the bia ya bomb pa me dey why ya ma me die but me na ma McBrown designer just a fans aminya
ya why ma be me da wase ya why ma be ya kutose ama zaza mara yeshia da wase abenina ama zaza mara yeshia abenina amen. Na me so me na me am so me ha adwene ntije mu a
sis
na me timi frɛ na no pasa me ko ayi
na nanko and your friend in the sense we are day or no here because your friend 1,000 we are back man no ubenya ordered 1,000 I'm telling you and you can't take it away from her no matter what for that aspect no say uncle for we are doing something can be a there's a and you can't take it away from her. Obiane de Nyankopon de aman. And some no so ne star ne see.
Nana, DK, me should that can say amount for opportunity ya de amayen so. In fact, anapa me nya akodo, me tumi ando. Sa tumi anda. Me kikemu sa. Me nya je. When you say I feel say it's an opportunity. Me share oda.
Me
share oda. Nana nyami shaw.
That's it.
Oma nkwantenti ahodin wom.
Amen.
Na de bia aboa yen say ya. In fact, and me feel say na the happiest day.
Loisha now asa we are juma administrative work. Now we business be anka ho.
But me business, me works.
Where works?
But try.
Na and na mo amaba mutimo den. Mumie no.
Catfish ama.
Catfish ama, enkrama nso ama, enkrama ama, wigi ama. Ayi oya na ntoma na ba. Nembe genya na spring way area no. Na za so de sewa unim samia ntoto. Eba so mu ni anya de. Inte se mwem den da ba.
Ye be yo show.
Sa.
Eba special.
Eba special. Ye be yo show.
Mama so seed.
Ye be so seed.
We have to because this is a blessing.
Obetimi ajaba.
Obeso.
Tu chesi wo kan no hu kan ko mi kitaka na me na ma.
Tu chesi na nana.
Tu chesi kan ni na.
Wow, Leja. Me da sepa why?
I'm sure.
Me da sepa. Inte se wo school no a ho.
Me when you say two ne ye.
At
least it's let me
school first.
I still stand on dedication. Pacho, my TikTok account here, Laura Luxury Hair.
Laura Luxury Hair. Inti me ko ha.
Me pacho ai. Abes na your beauty page no.
O telephone number
055 3502
Okay, 055 35 021 35. Ye de nyame ase. Laura luxury hair yen follow no why. Na yen check it out ni nwi no. Afa yen kwa bra de krama ni catfish. Abo metimodin.
When the business fails, if a jume bi will be you can fall onto it. But the business gives a lot of money, okay. But just in case, and I'm in poso, the BHUAC, not any money, then what are you? What are you following on? So plan A, plan B, there has to be a plan A, there has to be a plan B. It's when you do the business now I share other source of fund be one maybe. And that is when our brother also said, no so need no kind. In fact, my finance are more is me use when so be one. See, that's my stand on it. I want to say a very big thank you to Mami for inspiring, for say what church, even for the life of Adobia, because Adobia being with you, yeah. Sometimes we always say that it's a relationship with you, it's me up wine baby. Last February, the Baonia TV, sorry.
No.
Because yeah, patrona
Sir.
You become you and love us. Adobia new relationship anyway. Now, it's we share Adobia, sign share maybe so kind. It's in Mete Hanoma, and the moment she called me, there was no way I was even going to say no. But I was waiting for her to give me all the chapters in the Bible. So yeah, I can't just say, look, even if I have an exams, my cultural reset. Because we did say coming here, being on your show is going to open doors for me.
Amen. If I say we be here, what are you? Again, I buy mammy. Sami pebia.
Sisia. Me ankasa me start nyama ne pam.
Baby, wo da hawa we na wonya bia hye no.
Enti de me ye na say me wo nkofo amopam. Ti so ba meje na me ama kukruma kwa kope fabric na ma.
Okay.
Na mama nkofo na pam mama. Na
okay, me pebia hye we bi.
Ompacho me bia mo.
Enti say we free one number ben so na social media na yes.
Social media start by the black. Start by the black. Edi no ye EDDY, black no ye BLAQ. Nti EDDY BLAQ. Start by the black. Telephone number no ye 0245 01 9273. 0245 01 9273.
And one year better catfish no so.
And one year talk catfish.
And they say catfish no.
And
now me know tia ye. Minim ya upload no and midday. Yeah no, mid morning, sorry. Say about a year no be for so catfish na ya.
Obenyebi.
Obenyebi.
Close to 3,000 fishes ewo pond no.
Monies. Yes.
Also you go school no.
Monies.
Beba. You go school near go for be or no more. Sir, he's copying me.
Dala ka say bi.
No.
Almost with friend. Hello, Monies.
Oh,
can I get 200?
Yes.
I'll pay you.
And it's true. Yeah, it's true. Business.
I'm going to all the 30 Jimmy girl. Oh, Pamicho.
What's asma money sakano?
Asama money sakano. Say, obi timi first say 200 Ghana cedi. Mane kakra no. Say be posti a picture. For a week.
Who post me picture?
Of course.
I say we me banker.
They be so dear him say Ghana idea. Her excellency there.
One na ma why
ye.
Hey.
Inti
video.
Of course, mommy.
Me akwa
Nana said to the chat ni bi kra chere da.
Me sira mo munya botre ma me. Hwe. Akaka kra bi na urade se we hira me. Na owi a me. De wo mi team no.
Where sir? Betting perfect.
Sir.
They call my name.
Oh, Nana. I am a woman who's a man to sir. Into Kwame, who was in picture, not Obi a Paday.
Obi a Pemwa.
Okay.
The number of people who are on to be boxing because at least, oh, madam dear, we person me promoting me. Obu akwa no ma said the emfa kwam kwa ope who video.
Open who video.
Say, oh no, madam kasa no nye promo video mami. O kakra na same way. Man be all drive school. Chinchina try. Officer head ambassador.
Kwame.
Oka. Obonti ase.
Madam Kwame, me kwa ejuma mi hu no.
Iti the Nana say card there 100% pa ewo. Na just say hit the bar. Ya ne a chest there at all. Now bo.
When you say maybe Erade bo me pa na mitimi me nya bi pa na me nya bi to ho. Say de mesia minim de say no nkwa adwe na omtimi a. Nana kame me se mitimi nka wa ho.
Okay. Se wade ye wadon na unsaka bi ya.
Trewaza. We go mo.
Le ya se unsaka
Na zaba. Me ba sa ade ba ma me san wode no ni nsira na. Me do. Enye yen kwa na ebedi esika o. Enye yen kwa. Even though yen kwa na ye bre no. Eba me hye me ho bosa enye yen kwa na ebedi esika. Ye be ya ade bi a. Wo bedi me sem 3 months a wo kwa. I just watch me. Unjimi ya de jete na eko. Odi mo sabia ode ko be ode wa de bia. Ode beko. I just watch that be hwehwe ni mu be na wa wasting my time. Me energy ni me resource. I'm telling you very soon we dey mbo. Na me nyam fe enu ba bia pekora na ye be hya ase. Na futu e be fa e de amamu ni se. Me dofo a wo hwe me yi. Me sraw. Da bia me sori a me kasa na mankosu. E me ya papa. Etimi hye me. E wo kwan bi so. Say, impo no sanka me force me ho pa. Nanka me tumi kutra secondary na me nya university ni bi. Na me to ho. Na manye no, mansa anye me ho akwadworo, anye me ho abro. Me pe ba bi di me ti rai. Ema ene obi a ono wako suku adu ba bi kura no humi a otimi gina ka se nana wasem bi ema me keka me ho. Wasem bi aboa me pa. Na wo ye me role model. Hey, mitimi champagne for no say me role model. No me say na role model. No nye de wanyi cha wonko a. Mitimi ye role model. Inti de make ne awiase asesa. Ene me mesesa more. Na be san asesa. Inti ena wuti ase na opportunity. Say wo do oba be ko school no. Pia kra na ti kofa ne ko. Ena wo ma me bon ho kai. Omode afa anya akwadwo nye na fosem. Omode na ne ko school no. Konye for certificate ne to them nenso hunim de no wotrim ebe boa ama de wo bekọ akohia bia no se wo de adwumaden ka ho a awurade se de tie bi obepeja na be ma brabo no mu ayede what I say metie as a creative person sama anko school anu ba bia anka bia ne mebu anka menye interested ba me kodu ba bi no metie mtimi edit na san ma ya kwadwo we computer si manimu a me cut and paste me ye wie sesia what I say manko suko bia nka menya ho nimde ana say menya ho akono ankoye enu achi no mitimi enema bebe mi ametro me check mi ametro me story mi ametro me bibia even though ye fele gonfo no a mi nko bie no omuso omuhumi a omanije pa ntino me ba wo hwe me ko school no wate ofo a wo hwe me fa ba ko school no de be kan ni nyina ye nenso se wunya ne mienu so bomu a e ma wo ye di e chen de okura ba akopɛ e beda mo ase bebre backyard kitchen e ha na komo no wo